Do you have a flat spot in your ceiling where the popcorn is supposed to be? Are you trying to fix it yourself? Well, I'm here to show you how to do it, so let's get to it. If you're doing patches, the best thing to use is the can spray. Okay, this one's by Homex. It's doing pretty good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna shake it up real hard and then spray the ceiling. So let's go ahead and get to doing that. After you're done shaking it, before you start using it, you want to do a test spray on anything that you got around. Shoot straight up. So you're going to hold the can at a 90-degree angle or perpendicular with the ceiling. So if you didn't prep before you started to doing everything on the ceiling, what you need to do is you go back and clean everything up with a rag. I like to use these. They're pretty good. They're shop rags. They work fantastic for what we're doing. So to recap, we sanded the ceiling. We textured the ceiling. We made sure it looks good. Letting it dry. We're moving on. The end of this project. Okay, push the like button. Subscribe down below. Comment. Tell me if you learned something or not. Okay, and this is George with Country Intelligent, and I'm clocking out.